Hello there, Errol here, and in today's video what I want to do is I want to go over a few advanced Forex patterns for you guys. I don't have a lot though, just move my cursor there. I don't have a lot, I think I've got two on the radar here, and let's quickly go over. And I want to keep this, I don't want to keep you all day, and some of my videos are very long, so I want to keep this short and sweet. Okay, now I can do this. I'm sitting here without a shirt. Me, my brother and my girlfriend just finished playing a little bit of table tennis, and now it started raining, so yeah. But as you know, I don't care. I don't care what I look like on camera. It's for you guys, it's to help you. So if I sit here with a shirt, without a shirt, it's not gonna matter. Education is education. Okay, so the pattern that I've got on today is AUDNZD. So as you can see, I'm on AUDNZD. Now what I want to do is I want you to have a look at this chart for me and then see if you can see one advanced pattern for me. There is actually only one. Now there's two on, but there's only one that I will trade. According to my rules, there's only one that I will take. So just take 2 seconds and quickly have a look at it and see if there's any patterns that you can see. Take a second or two. Okay, so let's start. If I had to take it from this leg here all the way to the top, now I know a lot of you will be like, hey Errol, listen, we've got a bullish Gartley pattern setting up which looks something like this. If I had to just do the D-leg completion, which will be at a 127% extension, and yeah, look there, almost on target. See what happens if you look at charts all day. Not all day, but basically every single day. I've looked at charts, thousands of charts by now. So now I know a lot of you will actually trade this bullish Gartley pattern, and for me that is not. Let me just move this A leg to the right point here to be there. Okay, now for me that's not a valid Gartley pattern. The other pattern, so I won't take that one. But for those of you who do trade Gartleys like that, there's a bullish Gartley pattern setting up there. Now for me, something that I will be watching, look, it's still very early stages for this pattern that I'm going to show you now, but you don't know, it might complete, it might not. So we're looking at a bullish bat pattern, which will look something like this, and X to A leg, A to B leg, right at the 50% retracement, C to D leg, C leg's not, it's not breaking the A leg, so it's still a valid pattern. And then we're looking for a D-leg completion right at the 886% retracement. So that's the bat pattern that I'm looking at on AUDNZD 4-hour time frame. So if I had to scrunch it up a little bit for you, that's what it will look like. And also nice risk to reward profile here. Okay, so next, for those of you, like I said, TradingView is just my charting package that I use, which is totally free. You can open yourself a free account, follow me on TradingView if you like. What I want to do is I want to take you to my live account. As you can see here, I've got an ECN live account, live server, which means live account. I'm not going to show you my trade terminal, for personal reasons. And then if I go to AUDNZD, let me show you, I've got the same pattern setting up here. Oh yeah, it's a little bit different than TradingView. So if I had to put it in X to A, A to B, and then B to C, C to D, completing at a 886%, which will look something like that. Okay, so that was it on AUDNZD. Now something else, like I said, it's only, my aim with this video is just to show you what I think might happen for the next week, for the week to come, and what I've got on my radar. I'm not going to go through every single. There's lots of forex pairs out there, And if I go back to trading views, you can see I've got like 17 or 18 pairs here, but the only pairs that I trade are the ones here at the bottom. Euro USD, Euro CAD, these 8 currency pairs here at the bottom. Those are the ones that I trade, and those are actually the most, those are the ones that I will basically, you know, go over the most and show you patterns on. Okay, so what I want to do is, oh, that's something I wanted to show you. Previously in the week, I had a bat pattern, which was a bearish bat pattern on the 1 hour time frame. And for those of you who don't know what it looked like, if I had to draw it in for you, this is what it looked like. X to A leg, B leg, B to C leg, and then C to D leg, completing at the 886% retracement. Now, if I open this up a little bit, as you guys can see, you see this little, you know, this little, I don't know what you call it, in a stripe line, I think. That's good. A dashed line. So, as you guys can see, there's a little arrow right there. If I had to move it up for you. Now, this was a pattern that I took, and I got involved right at that arrow. That's my entry point, and unfortunately I got stopped up. And as you can see, there's my take profit, which will be at the, for target 2, it will be at the 0.618% Fibonacci retracement. Now, as the candles move along, I will also move my Fibonacci retracement with it. You know, then as you can see, it will move automatically. If I move my Fibonacci's, my take profits will also move. Now, what happened was I took a loss here, and I lost 133 pips, I think. 130. It was. Let's just measure it again. 131 pips. Managed to lose 131 pips. Now, I had to give back a lot with this trade. I gave back a lot of my profits, but not all of it, you know. And does it bother me? No, not at all. You know why? Because I know I've back tested my system. I know it works. I know it doesn't work, and I know over a long period of time, you know, that I will be profitable and I will be successful. So it doesn't bother me at all. I just had to share it with you. You know, not one single trader out there just wins. You know, everybody out there takes losses. You can do what you like. Everybody out there takes losses. Myself, any professional trader out there, any bank, any hedge fund, doesn't matter who you are. Everybody takes losses, and everybody experiences a drawdown. Now, drawdown is when you've got consecutive losses, and then here and there win, and then consecutive losses again. Like you will see, we will get like maybe a month or a few weeks, maybe 2 months, where we don't make any money at all. We're just constantly drifting sideways, and then all of a sudden we get a pop, and we continue to new structure highs in our, you know, in our account management. Okay, so I just had to get it out there, and that's it, guys. Like I said, I've got one pattern that I'm watching at the moment, and that's AUDNZD, which was the bat pattern that I just showed you, the bullish bat pattern. I'm not saying it's going to complete, might complete, it will be look something like that, and it will complete at the 886% Fibonacci retracement. So let's put it back there, and that's what it will look like. Okay, so that was it for today, guys. You know, I don't know what pattern to trade, so just go over your chart. Yeah, have a look at your charts and see what's up for the week, you know, for the upcoming week. And what I want to show you as well, I don't want to show you, I'm just going to tell you, if you want to, below this video I will share a link to my blog. You can check out my blog, and it's www.empowernetworktrading.com for those of you who want to check it out. I hope you found something useful out of today's video. You know, like I said, I want to keep it short, and I see I'm already going for 9 minutes here. Yeah, so that's it. Good luck, guys, and like I always say, remember, success is a decision, and that decision starts with you. Have an awesome week, guys, and let's smash the markets.